In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create personal access token in Bitbucket. Before we start, a quick overview. A personal access token is a secure alternative to using your password when connecting tools to Bitbucket or calling its APIs. Think of it like a key you can create, name, limit, and expire. Treat it just like a password. Keep it private, store it safely, and only give it the exact access it needs. Begin by signing into your Atlassian account in your browser. Once you're in, look at the top navigation bar and open the Security tab. This is your central place for managing authentication and safety settings. In there, choose Create and Manage API Tokens. Depending on your security setup, you might be prompted for an extra verification code sent to your email. Go ahead and complete that check to continue. Next, select Create API Token with Scopes. You'll be asked to give the token a name. Pick something descriptive so you'll recognize its purpose later, like the project or tool that will use it. Now set an expiration date. You can choose a duration between 1 and 365 days. Shorter lifespans are more secure, so select the minimum that still fits your workflow. You can always create a new token when this one expires. Now choose Bitbucket as the app this token will access. After that, pick the scopes or permissions the token should have. This is where you apply the principle of least privilege. If a tool only needs to read repositories, select Repository Read. If it must push code or create branches, include Repository Write. Only enable what's truly necessary to reduce risk. When everything looks right, select Create Token. The platform will generate your token and display it once. Copy it immediately. This is important. You won't be able to view it again later. Paste it into a secure place, such as a reputable password manager or your organization's secret vault. Avoid storing it in plain text, in shared documents, or inside your code. If you misplace the token or suspect it's been exposed, revoke it from the same security page and create a new one. Regularly reviewing and rotating tokens is a good habit, especially for critical automation or shared workstations. That's it. You've created a Bitbucket personal access token with clear, scoped permissions and a defined expiration. Use this token in your tools or scripts wherever a password would normally be requested, and you'll have a safer, more controlled way to connect to Bitbucket.